Ito na ako ng damdamin ko. I love it! I swear!
As an endorser.
Okay,
So Elijah and Miles, of course, you guys are here for Actor League. Gano'n lang importante para sa inyo to be here and to be with the other artists?
First time namin umattend ng General Assembly But I've been a member since 2020.
Oh wow, since Sinatag.
Since Sinatag. We were one of the first batches. Ito na-convince na sumali. So she's here now. And it's exciting kasi nga ito yung first, well, not technically the first, but we're really establishing it as something na legit, like a legitimate organization.
You're the next gen, right? And you've been delivering project after project of, talagang bonggang mga storya that would impact our industry. And what are the talks among you two about your visions for Actor? Lalo, ikaw, Miles, ikaw, Elijah, kasi 'di ba parang lagi yung hinahangad yung seryo, nag-aano kayo, di ba? Kumbaga talagang nagko-focus kayo tungkol rito.
Maganda siya kasi usually we gather lang and nakikita-kita tayo lahat kapag ball or may special events. But this time, it's for Actor and iba rin kasi na alam mong merong group na you can
rely on.
Yes, talk about everything, especially with our work. And yung mga mga karapatan din natin bilang mga magagawa. So,
Para sa inyo, young actors, ano yung pressing issue?
I think generally protection for our actors.
The cut-offs.
Cut-offs, not just the time, not just with the EGL, but mainly with the profession in general. Not just the stars, but even the talents, even the all the actors in all sectors. Kaya exciting yung ganitong klaseng grupo dahil mas mabibigyan ng protection, mas mabibigyan ng karapatan, magiging mas malinaw sa buong industriya kung ano bang kailangan ng isang aktor.
Thank you.